Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. We are back in the dining room. It is slightly sunnier outside today, but very gray yesterday, and so far we're not off to a whole lot of sun, but hopefully it'll come out and we'll brighten up a little bit. Today is Tuesday, it is December 10th, and we're on to our super cruising mission number 7. I'm feeling festive today. So I've got my shirt on from my mother-in-law, which always cracks me up and is kind of how I feel right now, so that's appropriate. But it's too early for wine. All right, your mission for today is to take a look at your budget. So if you were not able to do any of the cruising missions prior to this and you're just getting started now, that's totally fine. So just jump in where we are and establish your budget for the holidays, and don't forget to include things like holiday entertaining, baking, anything like that you're going to need to buy extra supplies on top of what you normally would. And then of course look at your gift list and see what you need to establish for your budget for that. So that way, as we fly into these next couple of weeks before Christmas, you have a good idea of what you can spend and where your money is going, and you're not just shopping willy-nilly and spending too much and not getting the right things. So take a few minutes today and just sit down, think about your budget, and if you've already started shopping and have a few gifts, you can add those in and reflect that on your budget so you'll know where you're at. I have gotten some things. Actually, I've gotten probably like 3/4 of what I need, so I just have a few things left to get, but I grabbed a few things yesterday while I was out running my errands, so today I need to sit down at my desk and enter those things onto my budget and my Christmas list and make sure I'm accounting for them and keep moving along. If you follow the Fly Lady system, Tuesday is plan and play day, so that's your day to not only look ahead and make sure you're planning ahead for what you have coming up in the next week or two, but also don't forget to have a little bit of fun or plan some fun. If you can get together with a friend and have coffee or go see a movie, go out to dinner. It doesn't have to be much. It could even just be sitting down for a few minutes and reading a book, or what I think I might try to do today. If I get through all of my must-dos, then the thing that'll be fun is to do a little more knitting on my scarf that I'm working on, just for fun. So I may even get around to my what my shirt says later on tonight, but even if not, I'm just gonna make the best of today. And as Diane in Denmark says, we make our own sunshine. So if it's gray and cloudy where you are, then we'll just do the best we can to brighten things up and keep moving ahead. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below so you can catch the next video in this series. We're cruising along, getting closer to Christmas, but hopefully doing it in a calm and peaceful way so that we can enjoy the holidays, our time with our family and friends, and what the true meaning of Christmas is all about. So I will plan on seeing you tomorrow. Have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you then. Bye-bye.